This is an L sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Let's start off by talking about fishing. Do you enjoy fishing?
I haven't done much fishing, but I think I'd enjoy it. It seems peaceful, and it would be nice to spend time in nature. I imagine it could also be rewarding to catch something after waiting patiently.
Is fishing popular in your country?
Yes, fishing is quite popular here, especially in rural areas. Many people fish as a hobby, and some also fish for a living, especially along the coast. There are also rivers and lakes where people enjoy recreational fishing.
Have you ever gone fishing with your family?
I've only gone a couple of times, but I remember it being a nice experience. We spent the day by a lake, enjoying the calm surroundings. Even though we didn't catch much, it was a good chance to relax and spend time together.
What do you think makes fishing enjoyable for some people?
I think it's the peacefulness and the chance to escape daily life for a while. There's something satisfying about being outdoors, and for some, catching a fish is a great reward. It also gives people a chance to unwind and focus on something simple.
Do you like eating fish?
Yes, I do enjoy eating fish. I like how it's light and has a lot of health benefits, like being rich in protein and omega-3. Grilled or baked fish with some seasoning is one of my favorite ways to eat it, especially with a side of vegetables.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe your ideal house. You should say what kind of house it would be, where it would be located, what features it would have, and explain why this would be your ideal house.
The house of my dreams would be a cozy, modern cottage by the sea. I imagine it as a small but comfortable place with large windows to let in natural light and an open layout to make it feel spacious. The location would be on a quiet coast with beautiful views of the ocean, perhaps just outside a small town. I'd love to be surrounded by nature, with the beach just steps away, so I could enjoy fresh sea air and morning walks along the shore. Inside, I'd want it to be simple and welcoming, with a mix of warm colors and natural materials like wood and stone. It would have a well-equipped kitchen because I enjoy cooking and a small reading nook by a window for relaxation. A highlight would be a balcony or a terrace with comfortable seating where I could sit in the evenings and enjoy the sound of the waves. Another feature I'd love is a garden with native plants and maybe a small vegetable patch. Gardening would be a relaxing way to spend my free time, and I'd love to grow some herbs and vegetables. It would also be great to have a few solar panels to keep the house environmentally friendly. Overall, this type of home would give me a perfect balance of comfort and nature. Living by the sea in a cozy house would be a peaceful and refreshing escape from the busyness of everyday life, allowing me to recharge.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move to part 3. We are going to continue to talk about the ideal homes. What are some common features people look for in a home?
Many people want features that make their home comfortable and functional, like enough space, good lighting, and a modern kitchen. Some people look for specific things like a home office or a garden, while others value proximity to good schools or workplaces. A quiet neighborhood and safety are also important to a lot of people.
How have people's preferences for homes changed over time?
In the past, people focused more on size and location, often looking for homes close to work. Now, there's a shift toward flexible spaces, eco friendly designs, and smart home technology. People are also more open to smaller, well designed homes in good locations, especially if they fit a sustainable lifestyle. Additionally, many seek homes with outdoor spaces to enhance family life.
Do you think homes in the future will be more environmentally friendly?
Yes, I think so. More people and governments are aware of climate change and the need to save resources. Future homes will likely use more renewable energy, like solar power, and will be built with materials that have a lower environmental impact. This trend is growing, especially in urban planning, to make housing better for the environment.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.